Overwhelmed by social media and digital marketing? Mystified by techie terms? Do you want more traffic to your website? More leads? More sales? Then watch this.
Hi everyone. Today I want to demonstrate how to use the Google Ads Keyword Planner. This is a very important tool to determine what your target market may be entering into the search box when they're looking for what you have to offer. And the idea behind this is when you find out how many times, which are the high search volume keywords, those are the ones that you want to make prominent on your website, in your headings, in both on your pages and in your blog articles, and if you're e-commerce, in your product descriptions. So we are in ads, google.com, in the tools in the keyword planner. Okay, so if you just go to ads.google.com, and if you go to tools, you'll find the keyword planner there. And you need a Google account to log in. So let's get rid of all these notifications here. Okay, so it's very simple. Just go to Keyword Planner. Okay, it's first step, and it'll load. Now you're going to be allowed to enter 10 phrases or keywords that you think your target market might enter to find your stuff. So we click on Discover New Keywords. Okay, and so I'm working today for a client called Seasonsville, and she has, excuse me, really cute things. It's a subscription box to make cookies and do different crafts for kids from ages 2 and up. And so she's on Shopify, and so we want to make sure that we're getting the best search engine optimization possible here with theirs. So so let's see what Google tells us here. So we're going to do let's see, kids crafts. Let's do kids crafts. Crafts for kids, subscriptions. Make sure you spell it right. Okay, baking with kids, not banking, baking box, craft box, subscription, craft boxes by itself. So we're going to just try different ways to say the same thing that we can see with your cooking with kids, baking with children. Now the search engine has gotten very sophisticated, so it may probably tell me that it will bring up, when we use the word kids or we use the word children, it may bring up the same phraseology. So it's the nuances of the English language. It's kind of figured it out. Because the search engine now goes a lot with Alexa and Google, where find whatever, or Siri, so all the voice searches. So that's very prominent now, and so the artificial intelligence has gotten very, very, very sophisticated. It's kind of scary, but it really works. Okay, so we've got okay, I can fit in 2 more in here. Let's see, craft boxes, and I have the craft boxes already. Okay, let's see, baking box, a craft box, kids crafts for kids. Okay, let me grab her domain name. I would go with these and see what else we got, because they'll even suggest some more. Okay, so let's hide this. Okay, so we're in the United States. Okay, so she could ship all in the United States, but here is where you can add, if you're local, you can narrow it down, or if you're global, just take it out, and it'll give you search results for global. So right now it's just giving me United States. That's you have to choose your geographic area. That's really important. All right, so here we have some other choices. Broaden your search: kids projects, kids activities, cooking box. Okay, well, let's see what we have here for these. So first it's going to give me the keywords I provided. So if you look at kids crafts, we have high search volume, but we also have high competition. In fact, she's got high competition on basically all of these. So that's going to be a challenge. All right, so this is really the first step before you start looking at competition or looking at everything. So what are the search terms for your business, for your website? Okay, so the one that did not bring up anything is crafts for kids subscriptions. Okay, so let's do cooking box. Okay, and crafts for kids subscription. What to take that one out? So cooking box and projects for kids. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's see what these bring. So it'll refresh. There we go. Much better. Baking with children only got 100 to 1K, but again, high competition. So that means that these key phrases are being used in both Google Ads and in competitors' websites. Okay, so craft kit subscription, that's a good one. Okay, so what was the other one I needed to take out? Baking with children. Okay, so we take that one out. And then okay, craft subscription wanted to add. Okay. I got craft subscription and craft kit subscription. So let me see if that's a nuance enough to see if there's a difference. Okay, apparently not for that one. So we're going to actually remove those two. So we're going to work. But what's really cool here is we have other ones. So these are other suggestions: fun crafts for kids, craft ideas, crafts for toddlers. The problem is that she's got high competition. Okay, cool kids art has medium competition. So this is going to be one that when I download the keyword ideas in a spreadsheet, I'm going to highlight this one because it's medium competition. So once you've played around with the keywords, kids activity subscription. This is another interesting one. So let's see which one I can take out. Okay, craft kit subscription and craft subscription. Okay, so I want to add kids activity subscription. Okay, so take these two out. And kids activity subscription. I want to make sure the word subscription is in there because that's the key to her business. She wants the people to buy subscriptions, so basically she's got a little bit of passive income in there because that every month they're going to get a payment or they can pay for a whole year. Okay, let's see if that one changed anything. And no, it's not that good. Okay. Craft products, craft subscription. Okay, we did those already. Kids activities we did not do. So let's take out kids activities. And whoa, look at that one, kids activities. Okay, and medium competition. So this one's good. This one's good. So this is a phrase that we're going to need. Okay, so basically this is it. So what I like to do now is I'm going to click on average monthly searches, and it's going to sort this by the highest searches. So it's going to give you first the keywords I provided. here. Okay, so these are the ones, and I'm going to again look for the ones with medium competition. Now over here on the right, we've got refined keywords. So here we can take out some brands. Okay, so I don't want anything with Radish Kids because I saw that coming up in here. That's a brand, and we really can't use that keyword in the SEO because it's a competitor. So non-brands. Okay, so then we have youth stage. So this is okay because she can go from age 2 and up. Subscription box, make, gift, craft. I think make is too. So we're gonna take those. I'm gonna take those out. I mean, it just gives you less words, less things to have to sort through, because once you download this list, it's hundreds of keywords. So you kind of have to go through them. That's why I like to sort them by high monthly searches. So arts and crafts for kids, art projects for kids. Okay, all these are high competition. So, but they're the main ones. She's going to have to use them. Now, the thing is with this high competition, she's going to have to get creative with her graphics and videos and that kind of thing. And I have a wonderful idea for her on that in generating user-generated content. Okay, children's activities, again, cool kids art. So she's got high competition for mostly everything here. Oh, here's a low. What was the low? Children cooking. Well, that's interesting, and that's significant, 1,000 to 10,000. Children cooking. That's an interesting one. Okay, that's a very interesting one. So this is going to be a prime one for her. And I didn't even think about it, you know. So that's very good, and it's low competition. So here's okay. So now we're in the 100. Now I even go and I delete the ones that are low. You know, baking with toddlers. Okay, 100 to 1,000. That's not too shabby. But you get down to the tens, and you're like, I'm not going to worry about those. So basically, that's it. You know, that's and the whole idea here too is you get topics for blog articles or videos or podcasts, whatever content you're creating to get your potential clients' attention. And so this is again one of the great tools to use for search engine optimization.
Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to her channel. Then, click on over to the AZ Social Media Wiz website to download the free Define Your Target Market Workbook or schedule a free 15-minute phone consultation and review of your marketing efforts.